Hi, my name is Justin and I'm with ExcelGainz. Today I'm going to show you how to copy file names quickly into Excel. Now just say this is my folder, the X drive, and within this there are subfolders. For this example there's 7 folders, but in real life just say you want to copy hundreds of folders names and you don't want to type them in manually. So what you're going to do is highlight your folders and then hold shift on the keyboard, right click, and click copy as path. And then within Excel, I'm going to hit Control V to paste those. And the next step, to get rid of the front of each one of these naming conventions, I'm going to hit Control F, hit replace. I'm going to replace the beginning and replace it with what? You're going to replace it with nothing, so you leave that blank. Replace all. You can even take this a step further, is to do text to columns, delimited. Your delimiter, make it a backslash, right? And then X drive and the name of the folder will be separated. Hit next, finish. And lastly, I'll make these in alphabetical order. So that's how you quickly copy file names into Excel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.